Alright, today we're going to replace the battery and the key of a 2007 Lexus RX400h. This is the same key used in the Lexus RX330, the RX350, and the RX400h from model years 2003 to 2008. All you need to perform this is a small eyeglass style Phillips screwdriver that fits the Phillips head on the key, and inside and the inner casing that contains these three buttons that we need to get into, it also says you'll need a coin to open that inner casing, but as you'll see, the blade of this key works perfectly. It's exactly the right thickness. So first thing we do is remove this Phillips head screw. Okay, set that aside. The battery type that we need for this is a CR 2016. I have some Energizer CR 2016s. It says ECR 2016. Probably just stands for Energizer. This is the interior casing that, like I said, contains these buttons. I would press the unlock or the power door. Probably the unlock is the safest one to press right now to pop it open. Pop this inner piece out in case you're within range of your vehicle so you don't set off the panic alarm or open your back door hatch. So I'm just going to push on this unlock button to release this inner casing. So there we have it. Here's the inner casing, and here's the back, and right here it says, find it with the light, it shows you that you can use a coin right here to pop this piece off, because we have to pop this clear section away from this black backing. And here's the ridge to do it. It actually does point you in the right direction. It says right here, use coin to open, and points at this corner. But the key blade is exactly this width. So, exactly this width. You just need to push it in here and rotate it. So I'm going to, trying to be able to make sure the camera can see it. It's not rocket science, but put it in this groove and rotate it. There it is. Oops. There it is. Pops this away. Have it in two pieces. Here is our old Panasonic CR 2016. Going to remove that. Let's see. And get a new one. Put it under, there's some tabs right here and here. If you look closely, should be, actually there's three tabs. Tab right here, here, and here. So we just need to put it under there. Oops. Definitely don't want to press the panic and the power door. Okay. Jeez, it Pete's. There we go. Have it in there comfortably. Should just pop right in. Then this goes back on same way it came off. Snaps in. Fit the button side in first. That. And then replace Phillips head screw, which hopefully you didn't lose because it is pretty small. And tighten it down without over tightening. When I hit the unlock button, the light lights up, shows me that it's installed properly, and there you have it. I replaced the CR 2016 battery in a Lexus RX400h. Should also apply to Lexus RX330, RX350, the RX400h that I'm using it for, model years 2003 to 2008. Hopefully this is helpful. Thanks.